Welcome to Wonderful's Finecare FIA Meter Plus operation video. Take out a test cartridge, a buffer, and the ID chip from the box. First, power on and turn on the switch. Notice, the switcher needs to be maintained in MAC position. Then prepare for a test. Make sure you have everything within reach before testing, such as micropipettes and their tips, timer, etc. Notice, first, the lot number of test cartridge, ID chip, and buffer must be the same. Second, if stored in refrigerator, the buffer should be balanced at room temperature for 30 minutes before testing. Standard test. Then insert the ID chip. Tips: the ID chip only needs to be inserted once for tests of the same lot number. Take out the cartridge from the aluminum foil bag. Set the countdown time to 1 minute and start sampling. Note that the anticoagulation blood collection tube should be upside down for a few times before sampling. Use the micropipette to take 10 microliter blood sample. Remember to stay vertical to avoid bubbles which might affect the result. Discard the used tip. Mix it with buffer for 45 seconds. Remember to use the timer. Use another micropipette to add 75 microliter mixed sample into the well. Keep the pipette vertical. Discard used tip. Insert the cartridge and press test. Notice, first, the difference between standard test and quick test is incubation inside and outside. Choose quick test if you have numerous samples that need to be tested. Second, the reading time only takes 10 seconds, the same of all tests, but incubation time for each test are different. Third, you can enter the patient's information at any time before the release of the result. Now we can wait patiently for the displaying of the test result. Press print if you need a paper copy of the test result. Then take out the used test card and discard it. At last, press reset the slot, take out the ID chip, and turn off the analyzer. Quick test. Preparations and operations before the loading step are the same as standard test. Notice, number 1, in quick mode, please remember to use timer and the incubation occurs outside the device. Number 2, quick mode saves time by overlapping reaction time so that it can provide multiple results in a short period. Number 3, please refer to the instructions for reaction time of each test items. When countdown ends, insert the cartridge and click Test. Then click Print to print out the result.